obviously see this beautiful spacious living room, kitchenette area. You guys can see it's spacious. The master bedroom, like you enter there. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Manvita Jagdish and today we are here at Engrace, which is by Modern Space, which is located in Kada Agrahara for a sample flat tour. Now, we'll get to know a lot more in detail about this project. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer and developer directly, giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing apps, if you do an inquiry or a phone call, your number is shared with different brokers, which results in lot of calls. But here in Housey, listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream house with developer through Housey. So now let's look into the project. Now project overview. Land parcel is 10 acres, number of towers is 8 towers with 4 phases, and also variance is 3 BHK. Now coming to the connectivity, we have Sarjapur 8 kilometers, Electronic City in 15 kilometers, and also Whitefield in 16 kilometers. Now coming to the amenities part, we have swimming pool, play area, garden, and also many 39 plus amenities. So guys, now we are standing outside the sample flat, which is Engrace by Modern Space, that is 1795 square feet. Come on, let's look into it. As you come inside, you guys can obviously see this beautiful spacious living room. Like it is definitely spacious, high crafted. The elegance, they've given you a very high fashion touch. It's beautiful, gorgeous, whatnot. It's one word must go for this is, I think, elegance. Elegance matters a lot, right? Now we have this beautiful couch, and exactly opposite to that we have a TV space. Easily people can fit in and enjoy their TV time or whatnot, right? This is the living area, and now moving on, right here we have this beautiful balcony, guys. Must say this is one of my favorite place because it is spacious. It's a very good view, direct view from this place, and it has this gorgeous view. Must say about the view, like you can enjoy your alone time, evening, mornings, whatnot, right? Now come on, let me take you to the ladies part of the house, that is, like you guys guessed, it's kitchenette area. Like before getting into the kitchenette area, I'm going to show you the dining hall. It is decent amount of space. It is exactly between the kitchenette area and the living area, and also it's beautiful, right? Now moving on to the kitchenette area, you guys can see it's spacious. It's very spacious, and they've given this beautiful marble detailing. They also have the spacious cabinets given up in here, and also they've given you oven and a beautiful gorgeous space, right? Now we also have a utility space. Moving on here, this is your utility space. They've given you very decent amount of space. Must say this, I love the kitchen, the detailing, the marble finishing have given an extra look to the kitchen, right? Now moving on to the rooms. Room number 1. This is the room number 1. Like you guys enter, it has beautiful space, guys. This is very spacious for your lamp, cabinets, whatnot, right? For your extra stuff. We have this gorgeous space here, and exactly in the corner we have the study space area. Exactly beside that we have this beautiful window. It has gorgeous sunlight, whatnot, right? Now coming on to the cupboards of the bedroom, it is huge, well touched, well furnished, and whatnot. It's huge, guys. Too many of your stuffs can easily fit in here. Now coming to the restroom of the house, this is high-end sanitary washrooms, and also they have anti-slippery tails, right? Now come on, let me take you to room number 2 of the house. So what do you guys think yet so far? How did you feel the tour? I don't know, but yeah, there's so many things left yet. Now moving on to the second room, this is a very decent amount, very gorgeous, very classic touch, and also I don't know, I love this room. I mean, it has all I want. It's beautiful, classic, elegant, very decent amount of space for one to share their space, right? Now, exactly besides that, we have this balcony. Like I said, again, we have this beautiful view. It's a very good sunlight. It's a very good view. It's a very good, I can't get over it. It's that gorgeous. Now moving on, we have this cupboard space here. It is, I think, decent amount of space to store in all your stuff, right? Yes. Now come on. Let me take you to my favorite part of the house. Now I'm very excited to look into this part because this is my favorite part, that is master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what this Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, we give you sample flat tour. In Housey, we give you exact location tour. We also let you know the pros and cons of every project. We give you inclusive pricing, which includes down payment details and EMI options as well. Now, we also give you 360-degree virtual tour as well. After all this, if you still like the project, then by just 3 simple clicks, you can click on the link given in the description below and then book your free site visit, right? Now come on, let me take you to the master bedroom of the house, the most awaited part, right? Now, this is the master bedroom. Like you enter, they have given you this amazing space. This is your bed space. This, I think, is decent amount of space, I guess, right? Now, moving apart, we have this desk space or lamp space, whatnot, right? Now exactly opposite to this, we have this gorgeous balcony again. This view is my favorite, guys. We have this view for all the 3 parts of the house, that is in living room, the second bedroom and in the master bedroom, right? It's spacious, decent amount of place to spend your alone evening. Now coming to the next part, we have this cupboard space, which is decent amount of space. It's huge and all your stuffs can easily fit in, right? Now moving on to the next part of the room, that is obviously the restroom. They've given you high-end sanitary fittings, they've given you anti-slippery tails and whatnot. It is also divided into 2 parts, right? So guys, now if you like this project, then you can book your free site visit in housey.com. If you like this project or if you want an e-brochure on this project, you can click on the link given in the description below. Also, if you have any negative or positive thoughts or points regarding this project, feel free to comment in the comment section so we get to know the strength and weakness of this project, right? Also, don't forget to subscribe housey.com to get in more details and updates about all the projects, right? Thank you. So guys, this was 3 BHK sample flat tour by residential project Engrace by Modern Space located in Kada, Agrahara.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.